everyone, welcome to my channel Foodie Mom. I hope all of you are doing good. So today's video is for the little munchkins of ours. So I'll be preparing semolina pudding, that is suji ki kheer for babies. Those are 6 months plus, because this is the right time to introduce semi-solid food to them. So semolina is really very nutritious for our babies, and one should give it like after every 2 days or 3 days as per your choice. So today I'm preparing semolina kheer for you all. I hope you like the video. If you do subscribe to my channel. It will make me very happy, and do not forget to hit a like button. Now let's start with the recipe. So over here I have taken a pan into which I am putting 4 to 5 tablespoons of water, and then we'll be putting in milk. We are putting in water because we don't want our milk to get stick to the bottom of the pan, because milk has this tendency. Now pouring in the milk. This is 220 ml of milk, and I'm using about 1.5 tablespoon of semolina, which is over here. This is roasted one. I have already roasted it on a medium to low flame. And over here I have taken sugar. So this is about 1.5 tablespoon of sugar. Kids really like when it is sweet, so it's your choice how much sugar you want to give to your munchkin. So now we'll wait till the milk gets boiled up, and then we'll be adding semolina and sugar into it. So let's wait, and I'm doing this on high flame. Keep stirring in between, because we don't want that our milk should get stick to the bottom of the pan. So keep stirring till it gets hot and gives us 1 or 2 boils. Now as you can see that our milk has come up to boil. Since I'm using induction, so now you can reduce your flame to low. And now we'll add sugar and semolina to the milk. So over here adding in sugar and semolina. Oops. Now mixing it very well, very nicely. Now only on low flame we'll keep stirring for about 4 to 5 minutes till the consistency of kheer or pudding becomes little bit thick and semolina also gets roasted. Remember one thing, that if you are making this for your child, make sure that you roast semolina beforehand, because it is really very important. Because if you are using roasted semolina, it will take like half of the time, and you can save time also, because you are using already roasted semolina. Keep stirring very well, nicely. Now turning flame to medium. So now the consistency has started to thicken up. So if you are using gas, you can do it for another 2 to 3 minutes. But since I'm using induction, for the subscribers who have induction at their home, they can now switch off their induction, because the induction plate which is over here will be hot enough to fully cook the pudding, that is suji kheer. So now turning my induction off and let it cook by itself. So here you go, your recipe for semolina kheer, that is your pudding for your baby, is ready. As you can see the consistency, it is now thickened, and when you will leave it for some time, it will be like more thick. So I hope you like the recipe. Do give me a thumbs up, it makes me very happy, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time with another baby food recipe. Till then, take care, bye.